we're gonna take the bus route. So from MRT, we're gonna go to Zhongxiao Fuxing Station for bus 1062. That's gonna head directly to Jiufen. We will not gonna take the RTA, and we're gonna see how that turns out. I hope you stick around. So we're now waiting for the bus 1062 for Jinguashi. This machine, that's where you'll tap the card when you get in. I think the ride will take about an hour. We left at 7:50. And looks like we're heading to the right direction. I can see the mountains. Where's your Ruifang? Main Street. So we've already arrived and it's raining, but we can see a little view already of ocean. It's fog everywhere. We'll try to go up to see a better view. It's really cold. I think it's 12 degrees or something. Currently at the Shenyang Road. I'm gonna go through here. Gosh! So going up there, they have this green line. Wow. There. Okay, can I talk? Fine. So going back. So they have the green line for people, for the tourists going up. So, you know, you're not gonna be hit by the cars. It's very cold. Opposite that is the bus terminal. Actually, other buses are also here. So yeah, there's a pedestrian, and so you can get to this side. And that's it. I'm gonna go home now because it's really getting cold and they're not willing to hike. Yeah, still the same bus, 1062 back to Taipei. So we're already heading home. The bus came to stop there after a couple of minutes. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.